everyone, it's Marci Sauter, the Rusty Blonde. Welcome back to my channel today. Today is April 1st and we are going to be doing my April 1st budget. So for those of you new here, we are on a cash budget system, and on the 1st and the 15th, I cash budget with you guys on video. If you are interested in learning about any of this, I have an entire playlist on how we do it and walking you through it step by step, but today we're just going to jump right into it. So this is the Happy Planner Classic Size binder, and I just kind of bought folders, bought some tab dividers, their undated calendar, and this is what I use to do our budget. I have my April calendar dated out. I have Easter there, our paydays, and then my baby Oliver's birthday. For those of you who don't know, he was my second son, but I lost him at 7 months pregnant. So it is a bittersweet month for me. I do have a video on his story if you're interested in seeing that at all. But anyways, back to our budgeting. These are the budget sheets I use, and I created these in Excel, and they are available in my Etsy shop for those of you who are interested in purchasing those. They are available there, and I will link them down below. So first off, we are going to fill out the month. So I'm going to be using a purple pen in honor of Easter, and we're just gonna start. So I know that on Friday I have our gym memberships coming out, well, one of them. And then I have a cheat sheet up here. I don't have all of this memorized. On the 5th, Amazon Music is $5. Then I have our Visa card. This is USAA Visa, and the minimum payment on that is $292. So that is all we pay on this one, is the minimum payment, and we pay whatever extra we can on our other one. We're using the Dave Ramsey debt snowball method. So then again on the 5th we pay Cox, and that is $101. Then moving on the 8th, this is our B of A Visa, and this is the one we are tackling right now. The minimum payment is $267. We're going to be trying to pay $1,500. We had a little bit of money left over last month, and so that is the goal. So I'm going to put that here. And this will be a $1,500 total payment, including that. So we'll see. But that's the plan as far as right now. Then on the 12th, we pay our SRP, which is projected at $120. It'll be right within a few dollars of that. So that's nice that they give you that. And then also on the 12th is our Apple bill, and that's $17. And that's for like either storage or music, I can't remember. I'm gonna go ahead and fill the rest of this in. On the 17th is our other Apple payment, and this is $11. And then on the 19th we pay Verizon, which is $127. And then on the 19th is our other gym membership. We pay $10 a month each, and my husband and I go. Let's see. And then on the 30th, I have a bunch. So we have Haggerty for $43. We have John Hancock, and that we pay $62. We have Dish, and we pay $102. Then Netflix, we pay $21. Our insurance is $224. And then City of Mesa, I'm not sure what that'll be. And then I'm just gonna continue right here, because then on the 30th, I will have a Cricut payment due of $10. And my Shopify is normally $32 a month. However, it is on hold for the next 3 months. So, okay, so there is the breakdown of that. Now I'm going to stick in my sheets and we will fill it out there. So this is the first of the month, so it will be my first paycheck. So basically here on this sheet, I'm gonna list all of the bills that are due this month. Yeah, this budget system, it works really well for those of you who like writing out your stuff. I know there are a lot of people who prefer to do it digitally, but basically when you go through the Dave Ramsey program, he teaches you that to write it out because you feel it. Anyways, you know, you feel it. You're having to work really hard to write it all out and everything. So I've always preferred writing over typing, so I prefer to build these sheets and then handwrite it each month rather than have it pre-printed. So then down here, it's a bi-weekly overview. I'm not sure what my checking account balance is, and the paycheck, my husband's paycheck, we choose to keep private, and the extra income we have coming in, I will be getting my Etsy shop paycheck, which is around $90 for the month of March, and then my YouTube income, which I think is around, it's been like 120, 130, but I always just count 100. So I'm gonna go ahead and put 190 for the both incomes I have that are coming in. And then the total bills due, I will go ahead and total this here. So 15 plus 292 plus 101 plus 1500 plus 120. So this is 2040. And again, that is with this extra money that we had in our checking account. So, but that's not based off of the pay period, but that's okay. I'm gonna go ahead and put this amount because I know we're paying $1,500 on the card. So here you have basically a projected amount, and then you have the actual when I go to pay it, or when I fill these in, when I actually get my paychecks, you know, things like that. Then I have an exact idea of what's gonna happen. Sinking funds, we pay that at the end of the month, so that will be 0. Our ATM withdrawal, because we are putting most of our money towards debt, we are on a $500 cash budget, and the actual is $503 because we pay a $3 fee. The gas allowance, I'm gonna do 100 because gas has gone up crazy. And then unexpected, I don't have anything unexpected. Last month we had a lot of stuff going on and happen, but because of the stimulus check, we didn't have to use our emergency fund, which that was nice. I was grateful for that. So I'm gonna go ahead and put 0 because there is nothing unexpected so far. Okay, so that is how we do that. With this next sheet, what I would then do is I would transfer all of this over. So I would put 4-1, I would put my husband's income, that amount there, that amount there. I lied, I would put the balance of my checking account. So I'm gonna go ahead and wipe that out. Oh, my whiteout just ran out, so I'll do that later. But basically I would put balance here, and then the balance because my husband's paycheck was already deposited. So, and then I would list all of the bills here, and then I would check them off as they get paid, and then basically any other transactions we have, I would write down here. So with that being said, we are going to move on to my cash wallet, and we are going to budget our funds. I follow this lifestyle cash list. This is how we've budgeted our $500. And basically I have these different cash envelope categories, and this is the amount that goes into each. I'm gonna set that aside. I'll use it as a guide. And then I have my funds up here. And I will keep my calculator on hand because I don't like making math errors. You guys, this is my April setup. If you have not seen it, it is so stinking cute. I absolutely love it. So you'll have to check that out if you haven't had a chance to watch it yet. But let's go to groceries, and we are going to start. I know that this is $0. It's always $0, I swear, and I spent the last on the 29th. So, and it was at Walmart, $0. Okay, so now for food, we budget $200. So I have $200 here, and it's gonna go into my food budget. So basically I'm gonna write for one deposit 200. And then I also do a Costco budget, which is 50. I'm gonna go ahead and put that in here as well. Okay, next is household, and for household items, I put 15 in. I'm gonna go ahead and put a 20 in and take a 5 out. Should be 70, yep. So for one deposit plus 15 is 70. Sorry you guys if you can hear my husband in the background. He's on a conference call. But then our pet fund, oh, I did spend some money out of this and I forgot to do the math, I think. Yeah, maybe not. 150. Oh, never mind. I guess it was the treats. I already wrote it. Okay, so pets, we put, how much do I put in pets? Animal care, $30. My dogs really need to go to the groomers, but we're going camping in a couple months, so we're just gonna do it ourselves until after camping. So for one deposit plus 30, 155 plus 30 is 185. Oh my gosh, my plant just fell over out back. It's so windy. That's a bummer. That's what that crash was if you heard it. Okay, personal care and beauty gets 15. Oops. Put that behind my 20, not in front of my 5. Okay, so I have a total of 45 in there. Our clothing fund gets 40. This needs to get built back up again. I drained it. So now we have 80. That's good. plus 40, totaling 80. Next is commissions. This is the money I pay our kids. We pay our kids on a weekly basis for jobs they've been hired to do. Commission gets $80. So I'll do 20, 40, 60. I guess I'm going to do 20s for now. If I have to make change later, I will. $123 plus 80 should be $203. Okay, next is gifts. I have a ton of people that I buy gifts for within the family. So this gets $40 a paycheck. If you guys don't have a birthday and gifts fund, you should really consider it. It is so nice because, oh, you just plan it out and it's always there. And if you forget and need a last minute, you have cash right on hand. So it is really nice. 115 plus 40 should be 155. Okay, next is fun, which is, this is our family fun. We are getting $10 in that, and I'm so excited. It is our Topgolf weekend to celebrate our birthdays and our anniversary, and I'm so excited to go have a blast. We didn't know if we were gonna do it last weekend or this weekend, and then last weekend we ended up celebrating my daughter's birthday, having her birthday party. So now we're doing it the day before Easter, which is great. And then my fund, I spent $13 there. I get 10 and my husband gets 10, and that is that. Okay, you guys, so that's that. That is how I budget our cash, and then I will give this $10 to my husband. So, look at that. I love budget day. I love budget day on the 1st, especially because I also do my planner video, and this April setup just turned out so cute. So anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching.